everyone, I'm Miss Olivia and this is Izzy, and we are going to be showing you today some tips, tools, and tricks how to do your hair and makeup. In this video, I will be showing you how to apply fake eyelashes. And we have these eyelashes at the desk and eyelash glue, and we do recommend the Mink brand for the eyelashes specifically. And you can just grab that right up at the front desk. So first you're just going to take your glue, you're going to just put a little bit on your hand like a dot. And you're going to take your eyelash, kind of start from the corner, go all the way down, corner, all the way in. Then you're going to let your eyelash glue dry just a little bit. And then after it dries, I always find the inner corner first. It's a little bit it's easier to match it up. Then you just follow the eyeliner, blow on it, let it dry. And then go ahead and have your dancer open. Perfect.